What is going on, you guys? My name is Jacob here with Backyard Performance, and today we're going to be headed out to the 8th Mile drag strip nearby. It's called XRP. We went there in our second video that we uploaded, which was okay. I would have preferred the video be a little bit better, more content. I'm pretty sure I can say that for all of our videos though on the channel, but so far we're trying to make an improvement like this. We didn't do this a second video, so I'm just trying to let y'all know what all's going on right now. So for starters, I'm getting the Z right here prepped because the transmission's been acting funny. So I got all new Redline MT90 gear oil for the transmission. I've already changed it out before, but I've gone to maybe 2 or like 3 drift events since then. So I'm sure it's been worn quite a bit since then. So I'm hoping that that'll fix most of my issues with the shifting. It still shifts fine. It's just, I think it's low on oil for transmission fluid. I think it's low on transmission fluid. So hopefully putting more in it and changing it out will fix all that tonight. And yeah, so plan tonight is going to be change out the fluid for me. That's my plan. And then right now it's like 3 o'clock, maybe around 4:30. We're going to be meeting up with Michael and Chris, hopefully. And then hopefully the other Michael, we'll meet up with him later. And then, yeah, just get some cool footage of our cars. Hopefully get some runs in. Get some new personal bests, because so far, best thing that the Z has ran and the 8th has been an 8.5. And that's honestly not that bad. Like, for what it is, it's a 03 DE motor, dynoed. It's full bolt-on, has a custom 3.5-inch intake. It was dynoed at like 270 to the wheels, something like that, which is not that bad. Like, it holds its own, honestly. It held up pretty good for what it is, but hoping to make it a little bit quicker soon. Maybe go boosted sometime in the future, but we'll see if my pockets are big enough for that, or if the car hopefully doesn't blow up or something like that. But what are you gonna do? So yeah, later tonight, hopefully the plan is meet up with them and then just head down to XRP, go have a good time, and we'll see you guys then. Hey, what's up, you guys? We're here at Backyard Performance with Michael, other Michael, and Chris, and me, and we're all lined up here looking all cool. We all showed up at my house. We're about to head out to XRP. How are you feeling, Michael?
My headlight's out again.
We got a lot of issues right now, but we're headed to the track right now. We'll see y'all whenever we get there.
What's going on, YouTube? We made it to the track. Everyone, we're walking to the pits right now. Everyone rode up there, and I don't have my car. So we're about to head up there, first shakedown pass, and let's see how it goes. We met a couple guys. I think we're gonna run them first hit. First run?
My wheels were hopping a little too hard. We didn't adjust anything from the drift event, so that probably explains it. And I launched it at like 4 grand.
What time did you get?
I don't want to talk about it. I ran 8.
No! So yeah, that's what's going on, guys. And we're trying to figure out some issues with Chris's car and stuff. What's going on? What happened?
Well, I made
the fans on now?
Yeah, I made my first pass, and as soon as I passed the 8, I looked down, and my temp gauge was like like all the way past where.
So what was the issue about the fans?
They were, no, they don't turn on an accessory. You have to cut the car on.
Weird, but round 2, let's see what happens. Ready for round 2?
Hopefully.
We did some modifications. Ready for round 2?
Yeah, I'm a little nervous, but.
Would the car come down on temperature?
No. And where you said it was where it was went up to.
Weird.
It's always super cool. It's never gave me an issue, but I mean, this is where we work out the kinks and stuff. Okay, so I just snapped my drive shaft. I guess I left too hard, and and the track is prepped, so it just like sheared the bolts off. Single piece drive shaft, aluminum, coming soon.
Come in my
Yeah, we're gonna go to Jacob's house and grab the trailer and throw this on the trailer, take it to my house, and it'll be sitting for a month. So yeah. Okay, so we're back at the track. We got the trailer. Thank you, Jacob. We got the trailer. We're gonna load the GTO up here in a little bit. Have a third person just in case. I guess we'll post some pictures of the carnage. It's not really that bad, but you know.
What is going on, you guys? My name is Jacob with Backyard Performance, and first off, I just want to say a quick thank you to all the people who have made it to the very end of the video so far. We really do appreciate it here at Backyard Performance, and yeah, I'm just making this outro video to let you know basically what happened after we went on the drag strip, and then the GTO broke, and it was just a pretty chaotic night. It really was. Basically what went down, we went to XRP like I was describing earlier in the video, and then after we made it there, we did on the second run, Chris's GTO happened to, whenever he took off, I showed it in the video, his drive shaft bolts that hold it up to the rear end just sheared straight off, so the car was no longer movable under its own power. So I had to come over here to my house and then go trailer it to Chris's house, and it was just a little bit of a nightmare. But we didn't film it, but we did get it back to his house. We got it unloaded and all that, so the GTO is safe and sound, doesn't move, but it'll be fixed soon enough. Chris has already ordered the part, actually. He's ordered a new drive shaft for the GTO. It should be coming in the mail in the next day or two. And so hopefully in the next week or so, maybe a little bit further, we'll see a video on this channel showing the GTO up and running again. So yeah, stay tuned. Lots more content coming your way. And let us know what you thought of this video in the comment section below. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, we'll see you guys later.